Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Cool Night Rechargeable Conical Burr coffee grinder represents a significant shift in how small kitchen appliances are designed, moving away from the traditional corded model toward a more flexible, battery-operated system. It is primarily built to bridge the gap between high-end home espresso grinders and the portability typically associated with manual hand grinders. At its core, the device utilizes a stainless steel conical burr set, which is a major step up from the blade grinders often found at lower price points. This technology is designed to crush coffee beans into uniform particles rather than slicing them into uneven shards, which is a critical factor in achieving a balanced extraction during the brewing process. By offering a cordless design powered by a built-in lithium-ion battery, this machine aims to provide a consistent grind quality in environments where counter space is limited or where a power outlet is not readily available. It is an interesting solution for the modern coffee enthusiast who values both precision and the ability to move their equipment around without being tethered to a wall. Looking at the build and design, the unit features a relatively compact footprint that emphasizes functional simplicity and durability. The most notable design element is the inclusion of a bellows hopper. This is a feature typically reserved for enthusiast-grade equipment, intended to solve the common issue of grind retention. When coffee is ground, small amounts of dust and chaff often get stuck in the internal chutes. By manually pressing the bellows, a pulse of air is pushed through the grinding chamber to clear out any remaining coffee, ensuring that the amount of beans put into the machine is exactly the same as the amount that comes out. The internal architecture centers around a 40mm stainless steel conical burr set. These burrs are engineered for longevity and heat resistance, which helps maintain the delicate flavor profile of the coffee beans by preventing them from warming up during the grinding process. The exterior is equipped with a dedicated portafilter holder, allowing espresso users to grind directly into their brewing basket, which streamlines the workflow and reduces mess. The power source is a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery, which charges via a standard USB Type-C port. This choice of charging interface makes it compatible with most modern phone chargers and power banks, adding a layer of convenience for those who might want to use it away from home. Performance is defined by the level of control and granularity provided to the user. With 60 distinct grind settings, the machine covers a broad spectrum of brewing methods. The finer end of the scale is specifically intended for espresso, where tiny adjustments in particle size can drastically change the pressure and flow rate of a shot. The coarser settings are better suited for pour-over, drip, and French press coffee. To complement these physical adjustments, the grinder includes a digital timer that can be set between 5 and 98 levels. This allows for a highly repeatable dosing process, where the user can find the exact duration needed to produce a specific weight of coffee for their preferred recipe. Because the motor is powered by a high-capacity battery, it provides a stable torque that is necessary for handling harder, light roast beans that might otherwise stall a weaker motor. The lack of a power cord also eliminates the electrical interference and static often associated with traditional alternating current motors, which can lead to a cleaner workspace with fewer stray coffee grounds sticking to the machine surfaces. The significance of this performance lies in the freedom it offers to the daily routine. In a traditional kitchen setup, appliances are often fighting for limited outlet space, and cords can become a cluttered mess. By moving to a rechargeable system, this grinder can be stored in a cabinet or on a shelf and only brought to the counter when it is actually needed. Furthermore, the inclusion of the portafilter holder and the bellows indicates a clear focus on a single dosing workflow. Single dosing is a method where only the exact amount of beans needed for 1 cup is weighed and ground at once, ensuring maximum freshness for every serving. This machine supports that habit by making it easy to clear the chamber and switch between different types of coffee beans without any cross-contamination or stale grounds being left behind. This specific grinder is best suited for a few different types of coffee drinkers. First, it appeals to the space-conscious individual living in an apartment or a tiny home where every inch of counter space is valuable. Second, it serves as a viable option for those who enjoy camping or traveling but are unwilling to compromise on the quality of their morning espresso or pour-over. While manual hand grinders are the traditional choice for travel, they can be physically demanding and time-consuming, especially when grinding very fine. This electric alternative provides the same level of portability without the physical effort. It is also a practical choice for office environments where a communal coffee station might lack accessible outlets or where a person wants to keep their own specialized equipment at their desk without creating an eyesore of cables. At a price point of approximately $150 at the time of writing, this grinder sits in a competitive middle ground of the market. It is more expensive than basic entry-level electric grinders but offers features like the bellows and cordless operation that are rarely found in that category. It is important to consider that while battery operation offers a high degree of convenience, it also introduces the need for regular charging, though the 2600 mAh capacity is designed to last through many grinding cycles before needing a top-up. The 60 grind settings provide ample room for experimentation, making it a functional tool for those looking to improve their home brewing results through better consistency. Ultimately, this device is a specialized solution for those who prioritize a clean, cord-free aesthetic and the ability to grind high-quality coffee in any location. It represents a balanced approach to modern coffee preparation, combining the technical precision of stainless steel conical burrs with the practical convenience of portable power technology. While it may not replace a heavy-duty commercial grinder, it offers a versatile and reliable option for the home barista who values flexibility and ease of use. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.